Good afternoon, marhaba. I am still looking for any businessman who would like to start creating their factory in the Mindanao, especially in Caraga and on the other local municipality. I will highlight my piece of land in Tagbina, which is located in Manambia, Surigao del Sur, and Sitio Candiisan. On such place, you can now, ano ba, you can establish your own factory. When it comes to oil, diesel, and gas, and kerosene. You can burn 24/7 in a year on that place. Makipag-usap ka lang sa barangay kapitan, sitio kapitan, at especially sa amin na landowner. Wala nang problema pa doon. If you needed manpower para doon sa pagsusunog, pag-iimbak, kaya naman pagpapaano ng tubig para makapilter ka,